Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back for part two of our bedroom refresh. Now we used Luxewall, a wonderful wood panel that actually helps the environment. For every tree that is used to make these panels, they replant too. And I am so thankful that they are giving us a discount on the wood panels. Just put in Wendy 10 when you are going to purchase the wood panels. As you can see, my son is having a very fun time, but just wanted to start off with the media wall my husband has put together, and you will definitely see the finished look in a few seconds. But I also wanted to provide you what our bedroom looked like before. Very bland, no color. It was a queen size bed. And now let's take a look. Our media wall and our bedroom. Let's get started. So I just want to caveat that we still have a lot more of decorating to do. We have our curtains that we need to put up. We have things we need to put on our bed nightstand. But here's what it looks like right now. It already looks beautiful. And I'm telling you, this is the favorite part, my favorite part of Luxewall with this specific wood panel. It's truly 3D. It has a lot of texture on that wood panel. And I definitely loved it. Feel free to look at part one so you could see how we put up the wall. It did not take a lot of time at all. And so the bed we purchased from Ashley's Furniture. We wanted to bring out the blue, but we didn't want too much blue because our house have different shades of blues and greens. And so we wanted everything to kind of blend in, but not overwhelming, put it that way. My husband likes to put the bedspread inside of that panel, but otherwise, if it was up to me, I would take it out. But either way, doesn't that look beautiful? Definitely beautiful compared to what it looked like before. And again, the only thing we bought different was the bed and the mattress, of course. We shopped our home and we were able to get everything we need in our home. Our media wall. We did decide to paint inside of the shelves black and actually the wall black, so that way it can kind of stand out as opposed to having a white background. So there you go. You can see it's not brown, it's actually black. Um, and we didn't know whether we wanted to put the panels on the side or not, but we opted not to do it. And we just colored the sides of the wood panel black as well, and it just looks beautiful. We will be putting some wording, maybe a scripture or two, just one scripture on the very top of the wall. And again, this is Lux Wall panels, wood panels. They are phenomenal. Customer service is phenomenal. I just love the fact that they have a lot of great instructions on how to put up these panels. So again, use Wendy 10 if you decide to purchase. What is there to say about the man I adore? Everything I wanted in a partner and more. You wiped my tears at the wedding, I was sure it was more than pure. It was love galore. From Makani to Kalani, the family stays strong as long as I'm beside T. From Makani to Kalani. It's one of my favorite angles looking at the room. It just looks so good, so comfy. My favorite seat now is that blue seat. I used to not even really sit in it too much, but now every day I watch TV, I have my table, and I sit right there. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you've seen, if you have any questions, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next go round. Peace.